Welcome back children. So children, again in this video we will continue with our chapter 13, that is drinking water. So now we will see on water cycle. The water cycle refers to the continuous movement of water on, above and below the surface of the earth. So water cycle, it is said to be the continuous movement of water on, above and below the surface of the earth. Due to the heat from the sun, water in rivers, lakes, ponds and seas evaporate to form water vapor, which rises high in the air. So, because of the heat from the sun, the water in the river, air, ponds and seas, it evaporates and it forms water vapor, which rises up in the air. When the water vapor comes into contact with cool air, it condenses into tiny liquid water droplets. So what happened when this water vapor, when it comes in contact with the cool air, it condenses into water droplets, tiny water droplets. These water droplets join into the atmosphere to form clouds, and these water droplets, it joins in the atmosphere and they form clouds. When the clouds become heavy with water, these water droplets fall on the earth in the form of rain, snow or hail. So, when these water droplets, it joins to form clouds, and when the clouds become heavy with this water droplet falls on the earth in the form of rain, snow or hail. This process is known as precipitation. When it rains, the water bodies fill up again in the hot sun start to evaporate. So when it rains, it fills up the water bodies like rivers, lakes, ponds. Again, it fills up with water again. And in the hot sun, again, it will start to evaporate. The whole process repeat again and again. Hence, it is called the water cycle. So this process, it is repeating again and again. Hence, it is called water cycle. You see here, sun, and from here the water evaporates, condenses, it forms in the clouds, and again it rains, it forms it here again. So this is the cycle of water cycle. So now we will try to solve some questions and we will move on to another topic. Now let's see this. We have learned that 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. So the 70% of the Earth, it is covered with water. Out of this, only about 3% is fit for drinking. So out of this 70%, only 3% is fit for drinking. Water from natural sources such as rivers, lakes and ponds is often polluted and not fit for drinking. So you see here children, waters from such as rivers, lakes and ponds, it is often polluted and it is not fit for us to drink. It contains germs, chemicals and garbage which are harmful for our health. Water from freshwater sources is slowly becoming polluted. So, water from such freshwater sources, it is slowly becoming polluted. Even the water that reaches our home through taps is not clean and should be purified before drinking. So, the water that reaches our home through taps, or we can say supply water, it is not clean and we need to purify it before drinking. Water which is safe for drinking is called potable water. So water which is safe for us to drink is called potable water. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless. So this potable water, it is colorless and odorless. That means it doesn't have any smell and tasteless. It also do not have any taste. Things that make water impure are called impurities. Okay. Okay, the things that or the substance that make the water impure are called impurities. Insoluble impurities do not dissolve in water. So there are insoluble impurities and there are some soluble impurities also. And insoluble impurities, they do not dissolve in water, and soluble impurities, they dissolve in water. So again, now we will try to solve some more questions and we will end up this video.